Today I am going to talk about builder design pattern. So basically, design pattern means it's building the particular object. So the advantages of builder design pattern is if we are using builder design pattern for a class with a large field of a large set of fields, actually huge parameters for constructor. In that case, we will use the builder pattern. So this is a third creation pattern for Java design patterns. So I'm going to create a builder pattern. So before that, I need a particular class here. So I would like to create a class, Java class. It should be something like okay, we will show something. So inside that we will have a lot of field like private string break private break private string steering private string engine, and right now I need only this amount of fields. So we in real case we will have a lot of fields. So what I'm going to do is I will create a constructor here with all these fields. So I'm taking all of this one and I create a constructor here. So right now we have the basic class. Next what I need to do is I need to create a builder. So the builder should be inside our class itself. So it should be an inner class and it should be a static inner class. So inside that class we will have a set of fields that we need actually. So we have a computer, okay. So what I'm going to do is I will just take all this field into inside that one, and I will remove this one here. Probably we will add later if we need. And inside this one, what we will have actually. Yeah, actually we need all these fields here. So okay, we need all this field. That's we need this field also. And we will have some builders. Probably builder and with the break string break, okay, breaks, and this dot and we need to return that particular builder. Okay, so like this, I'm going to create two other methods with the steering and with the engine. Okay, right now we are ready to go, and we should have a build method here. So that build method will return and inside that we will create a vehicles. Okay, so inside that what I'm going to do in here, and then it will return that particular vehicles. Okay, we are done with that, and we should have a private constructor here. Okay, so everything we are done here. Right now we can see how it will work. So vehicles is my class. Okay, here I have some problems here. Yeah, calling the interface here. Okay, it's builder. Then what I'm going to do is with a then with engine, then with steering. Then you need to call the build method, then only it will return. So what we are going here is we have a builder in a class. We are calling that from builder, and we are calling each method that's return the builder, and eventually we are calling the build method of that particular build class. So I got this one. So everything is done right now. So we use the builder class to build that particular vehicle class. So here, okay. So I just want to make sure our program works successfully. So I'm just creating a system of dot println, and it will print one of the attributes, that's get brakes. Yeah, it's test. So we are done right now. So that's all about builder design pattern.